Together we can show the world what we can do. You are next to me and I'm next to you. Push me on through until the battle's won. No one's gonna get something to us. In each other we put our trust. Standing united after the fight. Oh no, we will never leave. The two of us are holding the key to sing today. Oh, what we gonna see before I say goodbye to you? One more last whisper.
Okay, Winnie. Today, we're gonna meet some new friends. Yes, Winnie. Oh, hi guys. It's me, Woody Woodpecker. And today, I'm going with my friend Winnie Woodpecker to meet some new friends. Come on, let's go. Okay. So guys, what are we gonna do today? I don't know, Mario. Yeah, say am I. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're gonna thinking about what we're gonna do today. Yeah. Hello? Are you the new friends? Yeah. Who are you? Hello, I'm Woody. And this is my friend Winnie. Hello, guys. Wait a minute! Woody Woodpecker! Winnie Woodpecker! What are you guys doing here? Oh, we came here to visiting in this place. Yeah. Do you want to have some party? That is a great idea. Let's gather up for everyone so then they can see them. Good idea, Mario. Yeah. Okay, Woody and Winnie. We have gathered up all our friends who we have met. So, this is our friends. Hello, I'm Mario. I'm Peach. I'm Luigi. I'm Toad. I'm Toadette. I'm Yoshi. I'm Bowser Jr.
I'm Bowser.
I'm Wario. I'm Waluigi. I'm Baby Wario. Baby Waluigi.
I'm Baby Mario. I'm Baby Luigi.
I'm Donkey Kong.
I'm Diddy Kong.
I'm Daisy. I'm Baby Peach. I'm Baby Daisy.
I'm Mr. Bean, and this is my best friend Teddy.
I'm Millie. I'm Geo. I'm Bot. I'm Knuckles. I'm Tails.
And I'm Son, and my name is Sonic. Yes, and those guys are very awesome, the Woodpeckers.
That's right, everybody. Yep, exactly.
Whoa! Where's it going?
I don't know, Mario. I'm back.
Ah, you're back, Woody.
So, do you like my laugh?
Yes, I love my laugh. So, anyways, what are you guys are doing today?
Well, I like the pecking woods. And also I like some fun to do. And also, I'm a cartoon character. And I like the things what I like to do. And what else I like to do, I like to see my friend Woody as a boy. He's my boyfriend. And Winnie's my girlfriend. You said it. Anyways, do you like us, Mario and Luigi?
Oh yes, we like Woody and Winnie. Yes, you two are very awesome. Yes, and for that, Woody Woodpecker and Winnie Woodpecker are welcome.
That's right. Yeah.